Hey friends, I'm Jeremy from Kajabi. Now, if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in building an online course, and well, I think that's a great idea. Now, there's never been a better time to start an online business based off of the knowledge that you have. And one of the best ways to do that is through an online course. If you're already at that point, you're probably also checking out services like Kajabi and Teachable to find out what works best for you. And today I'm gonna compare Kajabi and Teachable to help you understand what's going to work best for your business. To cut to the chase, there are 3 big takeaways I'd like you to consider. Both Kajabi and Teachable are good tools for building and delivering online courses, but your digital product is really just one part of having a successful business. You have to consider all kinds of things like your website, landing pages, email marketing, sales automation tools, and pricing is always an important thing to consider, but remember the total cost of all your tools that you need as well as the value of your time. Now, Teachable, it's a nice tool for creating and selling online courses. It's more geared towards those with like a side hustle of a course or if you're not really sure or committed to your online business. While Kajabi is built around helping you have a successful online business and includes online courses. So we're gonna deep dive into Kajabi and Teachable. Oh, and watch through until the end, and you'll also get a unique offer from Kajabi for YouTube viewers. I want to reiterate how valuable the knowledge commerce space is. We're talking about tens of billions of dollars in yearly sales for things like online courses, membership sites, coaching, and other knowledge products. And it makes a lot of sense. People want to learn on their own schedules and through their own devices. And people like you have valuable knowledge that they could benefit from. But you need something to help you turn your knowledge into a product, like an online course. So let's look at how Kajabi and Teachable helps you create online courses and other digital products. Kajabi has a world-class course creator and digital product generator. These product blueprints means just with a few simple clicks, you can create great-looking online courses, great-looking mini courses, membership sites, communities, evergreen training, coaching programs, and ebooks with just a few clicks. These templates make it simple for you to focus on the content in your online course and to start selling faster. These are customizable to fit into your brand too. Of course, you can build your digital products from the ground up and start from scratch if you'd like. Now, your courses on Kajabi can be as simple or as complex as you'd like. You can have video trainings, audio courses, worksheets, email-based courses, and more. And Kajabi gives you robust analytics on people taking your courses too. You can quickly see if your students or members are progressing through the course, where they drop off, video heat maps, and more. Kajabi also gives you flexibility when it comes to how you design assessments for your students or members. You can offer simple quizzes or ask open-ended questions, fill in the blank statements, and more. And this gives you powerful engagement tools to connect with your students and members. You can also provide certificates to members or students, delivering even more value on top of your course. And it's not just online courses, as Kajabi lets you build out coaching programs, ebooks, membership sites with just a few clicks and your knowledge. The Kajabi product team is also laser focused on making entrepreneurs like you happy. So you can expect them to roll out new knowledge products that fit the needs of creators and knowledge entrepreneurs. The Teachable interface is pretty nice. It's clear on how you can create an online course. It has a structure where you can upload content and you can include video, text, audio, and PDFs. And like Kajabi, Teachable offers unlimited video hosting, so you don't have to worry about bandwidth costs, which that's really good. It's a relatively simple tool to use to create courses, but I couldn't find any blueprints or any pre-generated templates to help get you going. So you have to kind of design the course and your outline basically from scratch. You're also somewhat limited when you want to customize a course. Sure, you can change background colors and add logos, but Teachable doesn't really give you as much control over the look and feel of your course. Now, once you've built a course, you can offer free previews of sections, track how your students are progressing, and even offer assessments. Teachable assessments are somewhat limited, and it looks only like you can only offer quizzes. Overall, Teachable has a nice looking interface and it lets you create your online course relatively quickly. Teachable is a bit more limited with the types of digital products it offers, and you can build an online course or a coaching product and that's about it. All right, so both Kajabi and Teachable allow you to create online courses and sell online, but Kajabi makes it easier to get started and it also gives you more customization and control. Kajabi's pre-built templates get you up and running quickly without sacrificing branding or customization. And best of all, Kajabi doesn't just limit you to online courses. You can easily create a variety of digital products. Now, Teachable is best suited for those who want to just create a very simple course and for those who don't care much about their branding or look and feel. Also, if your business is only ever going to be about selling like an online course, Teachable could work for you. Now, if you've ever wanted to expand into ebooks, membership sites, or other digital products, you'll quickly run into limitations with Teachable, and you'll probably have to get other tools to help supplement that. Building an online course is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's look at how Kajabi and Teachable help you market and sell your online course. Teachable provides tools to help you sell online courses, like a website builder, landing page builder, and some email marketing capabilities. It also covers some of the most important things, like having a payment gateway, some analytics on your sales and your students, and it works easily with common digital advertising platforms like Facebook and Google. If you're just interested in seeing if online courses are for you, Teachable should cover most of your needs. But you should start to see some issues as your business grows. For example, there's not a lot of customization available to match your branding. So if that's important to you, you should really consider another tool that works better with your branding. They have some website templates, but it feels a little one size fits all, not necessarily built for your industry. Now, if you choose Teachable, you're also missing out on some strong email marketing capabilities. You need more than just transactional emails to have a successful product business. You need to cultivate email lists. You have to have different automated nurture streams, email people who haven't bought your course yet but could in the future. And that just plain isn't possible with Teachable's email. Automated sales funnels. This is another thing that's missing from Teachable, and this is a powerful tool to sustain and grow your business. Kajabi is an all-in-one business platform, and it really shows when it comes to marketing and selling your online courses. With Kajabi, you'll get a world-class website builder with amazing templates you can customize to fit your branding. You'll get a landing page builder to create compelling sales pages and sell your online courses. You'll get robust email marketing tools to help you raise awareness about your courses and to close the deals on sales. You'll get sales funnel software we call Kajabi pipelines. This is really important because it automates the sales funnel process and it gives you proven blueprints for lead generation, product launches, sales webinars, and so much more. The best part is you don't have to know any code to automatically create sales funnels. You'll get a payment gateway to accept PayPal, credit cards, or debit cards. It's really important here. Kajabi never takes a cut of your sales. Now, you may have to pay a small percentage to Stripe for credit cards or to PayPal, but Kajabi won't take anything on top of that. That's not the case with other platforms like Teachable. Finally, you also get analytics and a CRM with Kajabi. These are extremely powerful ways to fine-tune your marketing and sales process. If you don't know it's broken, you can't fix it. I could talk on and on about how the Kajabi platform is chock full of things to help you market and sell your courses. For example, the Kajabi mobile app means your customers can take your courses with them and access them whenever and on whatever device that they want. If you're just looking at a comparison chart, Teachable and Kajabi seem to have some of the same capabilities, but as you dig deeper into your business and your needs, you'll see that Teachable's marketing and sales just aren't as robust, and that's okay. If you have other marketing and sales tools that you want to glue together with Teachable for your business. Now, Kajabi puts all of these in one place, so your online course business can scale without you having to learn how to stitch together all these different software tools, APIs, and plugins. Okay, now let's talk about integrations, support, and pricing. Both Kajabi and Teachable do a good job of integrating with most of the tools you need. There are native integrations with services like MailChimp or Facebook Pixels, but you can use Kajabi and Teachable with almost any service you want through Zapier. It takes a little bit of know-how and setup with Zapier and has a separate cost per month, but once you get it down, you can use both Kajabi and Teachable with more than 3,000 other services. Running your own business can be tough, and that's why support and training and community are very, very important. Both Kajabi and Teachable offer customer support, training resources, and online communities. Kajabi offers 24/7 customer support, so you can always contact someone if you have an upcoming launch or you have something very time sensitive. Now, Teachable offers support via email and live chat within East Coast business hours, Monday through Friday. Both Teachable and Kajabi have online resources to guide you on how to use their respective platforms. Kajabi's includes video walkthroughs on exactly how to do things. If you're like me and you like having those visuals, that will be really helpful. An awesome part about Kajabi is the community of Kajabi users. There's an official Kajabi user Facebook group that has nearly 25,000 knowledge entrepreneurs. This is a great spot to connect with other entrepreneurs, to get advice on Kajabi or on business in general, and to build connections with people going through the same journey as you. Teachable has a community they host within the platform, but they don't share numbers or members. Finally, let's talk about a very important piece: pricing. At $29, $99, and $249 a month, Teachable pricing is cheaper than the equivalent Kajabi plan. And if monthly cost is your only concern, you do have a clear winner here. But again, as you're evaluating on a deeper level, there are other things to consider. For example, one of the Teachable plans takes a cut of every sale that you make. As mentioned, you'll likely have to pay for more software to run your business because Teachable doesn't offer everything. So when you're adding up the costs of your software and the cut of revenue and the time it takes to glue together all these different services, the total cost of ownership may make Kajabi the better choice for your business. So thanks so much for watching, and I'm really excited for you to create your online course to have a thriving business. Because you've watched until the end, I have a special offer for you from Kajabi. If you sign up through the specific link below, not only will you get a 14-day free trial of Kajabi, you'll also get bonus training materials from business experts who have been in your shoes. And these insights will give you step-by-step training on how to build a course and how to build a real business selling online courses and digital products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Thanks so much, guys.